Hi there, students. Purgatory. Purgatory. Okay, today we use this word purgatory, a noun, to say that something's been extremely unpleasant, an unpleasant experience that causes suffering. Yeah, so, I don't know, the day before yesterday it reached 40 degrees and it was sheer purgatory, at least for me. It was just terribly, terribly hot. Um, I've been on this diet recently, and it's been purgatory not being able to eat the things that I really enjoy eating. Okay, so we're using this word purgatory to say that something's really unpleasant. It's really rather nasty. Yeah, it's not very nice. Yeah, it's causing suffering and anguish. Something that's torment, torture, misery. It was sheer hell. It was absolute purgatory. Yeah, something that caused agony and anguish. And that's how we use it. Let's see, the real meaning of purgatory. This is particularly for people of the Catholic religion. After you die, your soul goes to purgatory. And this is a process of purification, yeah, where you suffer for the sins that you've committed on earth. It's like I don't know, being thrown in the washing machine, yeah, and then finally, when you finish in purgatory, you are redeemed and you go to heaven. Yeah, and this is purgatory. This word purgatory is related to the word to purge. To purge meaning to clean out, to get rid of something unwanted. So, for example, you could purge the air out of the radiators in your heating system, or you purge an engine, you purge all the air bubbles out of it. So it's removing or eliminating some unwanted element. And in purgatory, when you go to purgatory, this is effectively cleaning you of all the bad bits and all your bad habits and all the things that you've done wrong, and then after that you can go to heaven. So purgatory, nowadays we use it to mean suffering. Notice the idea of purgatory, the traditional idea, is something temporary, and we particularly use this word purgatory today for a temporary situation. Yeah, something that's going to finish, but you're going to suffer while it's happening. Okay, so yeah, we've been through the purgatory of COVID, but this is something that's temporary. The purgatory of lockdown. Yeah, it's something that we have to put up but it will finish. Yeah, so purgatory, this state after death where your soul becomes cleansed, but that's very technical. Today, purgatory, a really unpleasant situation, suffering, misery. It was sheer purgatory walking home from the party because it was 35 miles. Yeah, it was a hell of a long walk. Or yeah, the last 10 miles of the cycle race were purgatory, were really, really hard, caused a great deal of suffering. And that's the idea of purgatory, something that you've got to suffer, that you've got to go through. Okay, so purgatory, formality. I think if you're using it in the religious context, then I'd probably give it a 6.5 or a 7 in formality. But if you use it just to mean a really horrible situation, a situation where you've got to endure suffering, I think I'd give it a 5 in formality, maybe even a 4. I think we use it, I suppose humorously, yeah, to say like it's the suffering after of your soul paying for your sins, and I guess that's the idea. Let's see, it comes from Latin, purgatorium, cleansing, and as I said, it's related to the verb to purge. So I hope it hasn't been purgatory listening to me waffling on. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Purgatory.